Hey everyone, Joanna here from EmpowrSoft, your all-in-one platform system solution to streamline your acquisition and retention activities in your client journey. So I would just love to give a quick update on what we currently have, especially with our forms. So the beauty of EmpowrSoft is that it does have multiple features, but let's pull back a little bit, especially on the things that you can do in your business. So one of the things that people actually do is use forms, like for example, contact forms, message forms, or questionnaire forms just for them to use before they hop on a call with their potential client or potential lead. So mostly you can create the form inside here, put it in the landing page inside EmpowrSoft, or you can copy that code. You can put that one in your Squarespace, WordPress. But what happened is that once that form is filled out, all the data comes in inside EmpowrSoft. So what we did before is that under sites where you can locate forms, you have what you call a builder. So you can create different type of forms, whether from scratch or for the template that we have available. So let's just go ahead and open one particularly for calendar. So for example, if you would love to have like a schedule update calendar, right? It's a form that you fill out. So this is where you add all of the fields, whether you want it optional or whether it's required, depending on how you want it. This is how you do it. And then so on your left side panel, you have all of the options that you can add within your form. And then that's the left side where I'm looking at. And then on the right side, that's where all of the other customization that you can do in terms of styling, the themes, the advanced settings that you would love to have. You can input like some labels, custom CSS, depending on how fancy you want it to be. And now, once you are done with that, you can integrate it, right? You can either embed it, share it, or you can email it. Those are the things that you can do right now within this type of form. But mostly when you are in the landing page, there is an element that says form, and then you can just select that form, and then it will be embedded in the landing page that you have inside EmpowrSoft. And once form is filled out, you have to go through this side again and go through submission and then scroll down into like, hey, what form were you looking at, right? Like all the forms or whatever forms you are looking at right now. But here we've updated it and it's already within the builder that you can see the submission. So like the settings, like the after the form is submitted, what do you want it to do? You can have like a preview message like, hey, your form has been submitted, or you can also click on here submission and now your list is here. So kind of like really organizing and segmenting it rather than go over the place and scanning it. Now you can really just go exactly on which part of the what form you're looking for and what submission are you looking for as well. So and then you can also export it, you can refresh it, like what are the details that you would like to see depending on what it is that you are trying to pull into. So those are one thing that we actually have. So those are the EmpowrSoft form. If you're interested to learn more about how robust this platform is, go ahead and schedule a demo. So what we do with the demo is that we just kind of walk you through and just answer your question for 15 minutes up to 30 minutes, and then to see whether it's a right fit for your business. And then we can surely also implement that one. So our sister company, SavvyChic Design, implements all of those custom builds if you want more of done for you rather than just I do it myself type of CRM platform. So I hope you like that one. Make sure to follow our YouTube channel here and as well as our profile. And till next time.